Hey, good evening guys, or good morning. Wherever in the world you are, I wish you guys a happy new year. What is your goal this year? Well, my goal this year is starting another business, and aside from flipping homes and doing interior designs, I thought I'd give it a shot at YouTube. We're going to talk about changing this wall to a different color. You're going to need a caulking gun. Then I'm going to use DAP, which is a fast dry latex caulk plus silicone. And this dries in 20 minutes. He says you could paint in 20 minutes, and these are really fairly cheap. This device right here, as you can see, it's a cutter, and what you do is you take your caulk and then you just cut it right down there, and then you get a nice cut at an angle. Alright, here we go. Pump it a couple times. Squeeze it in. Pump. That's it. And what I need to do, finish removing everything. Alright. There we go. Alright. So we got our brush, which we'll be painting inside. We got our roller, so we paint the trims and the wall. We got our tray to pour the paint into. Tape, hand masking tool, you can use the plastic or the paper roll. This is basically to cover the edge and the bottoms and the tops from any paint spilling over, spraying over, and whatnot. Napkin, just to be on the safe side. Gloves, paint remover just in case, and a ladder. Alright, so how do you use one of these hand masking tapes, or how do you set it up? Pretty simple. You have your tape on this roller, spinner, sorry. Alright, the tape should be facing towards the cutter direction, so the blade. So these are the blades, tape should be facing that direction. Then you have your roll, which you just slide it right on, snaps. Again, the paper should be facing towards the blade. And then just make sure it's aligned all the way in. And then you have your tape come underneath this little loop, if you can see it. This yellow loop right there. Underneath that, and pull it up, set it on top of the paper, just like this. The blue tape or white tape, whatever tape it is, depending on what you're using it for, sets right onto that paper, and you pull this black lever right here, inside if you can see, right there. Just lift that up, bring the tape underneath it, sorry, right underneath this. I'll set it back down. It should be just like that. Alright, the paper tape that I'm putting up is not necessary. If you just want to take extra precaution, then I recommend just putting up on the paper. Otherwise, you can just get away with the blue tape right here. You can just put the blue tape around the corner edges. This is just for extra precaution for me. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start painting all the inside edges, just like that. This way, when I roll the roller, this roller will only be hitting the primary areas, and not stressing in the corners because I already have the corners painted. So if you're in high school or you have that free time in the summer or on the breaks, I would suggest look for a local contractor and then just ask them, listen, I want to intern. Pick up the trade, pick up the skills, and run with it after that. And that's what I did. If you're an artist and you like painting and you like woodwork or whatnot, you like creating metal artworks, you'd be surprised that you can take that talent into interior design. Work with flippers, work with remodelers. All these people are out there. The resources is available. All you just gotta do is go try. Hey guys, I hope that video was fun to watch and informative to you. If you feel this is value, please subscribe, and I like to make more videos in the future, and let's rock and roll with this, alright? Till next time, thank you for joining Kamran's journey.